Hello guys, so welcome to part 4 of our Python data text preprocessing. So the previous video we removed the punctuation from our text. So in this video we are going to see on how to remove stopwords from our text. So this is the part 4 video. So this from our previous video we removed the punctuation. So this is free from punctuation. So the stopwords are like on. So these are the stopwords we are going to remove from our text. So on removing the stopwords, so we are going to import the stopwords. You can basically define your own stopwords, a list of your own stopwords. But basically, I'm going to use the nltk corpus stopwords. So from nltk.corpus import stopwords. So basically, stopwords are words that occur most of the times from on our text, and they don't basically give much meaning on our text. So again, we are going to use on the data frame lowercase, the stopwatch. So again, using the data frame lowercase, then we are going to apply. Then you are going to return this should be a list because you are going to use the list compression on the text. So we are going to look through the text word which will be returned, word which doesn't exist on the stopwords. So for word, a sentence will be turned into words. So if word not in, you're supposed to define a stopwords because we are going to use the English stopwords. So define your stopwords. So we get the set to avoid repetition from the stopwords dot words and use the English stopwords. So if for word in, now this X is a sentence, it will be split into words. Now we are going to loop through the sentence words. If the word looped is not in stopwords, it's not in the stopword set, so it shall be returned to our new list. Again, we don't need to return a list of words. We are supposed to return a sentence. So we will use the special method join, which will return a sentence. Then a sentence will be turned into token. Then we will see if our token will have the stopword. So let's run that. Very form, sorry, from nltk. I didn't give it a space. Yeah, as you can see, the returned tokens doesn't have the stopwords. All the stopwords from our text has been removed. That's how to do away with the stopwords from our text. So if you have any question on how to remove the stopwords, if you're having problems, you can ask in the comment section. So thank you.